Hello guys, Cody Dreams here. This is my one of asset fake book. It has some features and I am going to show you today how to use it and its few use cases. Here you have the package and you can view the scenes. This is the advanced demo scene. Here you can see vertex displays for it is geometry based and it costs a lot of performance but looks nice, especially when vertex displacement is available. Here you can see the shaders. I am using 3-layer but geometry for better looking work. And here's the night version. You can see the and other folk. Let's play this scene. Here you can see the fireflies. You can here set the mood with these particles. Here more simple scene without those displays or players, which is good for mobile and low-end devices. This is my newest thing with screen face fog. You can here set it. Let me do it for you. Show it. First, set the fog data. I have accidentally deleted that package, but when you get this package, you have two files in here pre-selected on this window. You can get this window by setting tools, dream, fake fog apply, and this window will pop up. Let's apply it. Here you can see the fog, depth fog. Let me do it manually for you. You can set the ground fog like this, and the distance fog also you can set it. Let's part minus 1000 and 2000 for better. Maybe a bit lower. 1000 and negative 500. That looks nice. Here you can see this it can shine very beautifully. If you are why you need this, if why you cannot use before. Here you can see when you apply the fog, there are hard clips like this and those who create on the game, but with this those aren't there. That is one of benefits. Let's go to one of my other scene that is created. Let's set one of presets. Here you can see I am doing underwater rendering by the fog system. There is no custom shader. Even this is just a modified model. There are no shaders for the water, and you can get this amazing split screen view with water and air both. That is one of use cases. Then there are some other scenes. I will release this assets for free, this for preset for free in Unity Assets Store in later time. Here you can see other scene, Earth Death Valley with green toxic smoke like fog. Also desert example. Here you can see ground of the fog, ground of the desert. Terrain is covered with fog and also distance is covered by the fog too. This cannot be achieved by Unity default fog system. And here, and lastly, a night scene. Let me set this. Here you can see this ground fog and distant fog. This distant fog is not made by the default system. Let me show it for you. See, if I just enable the fog system, it would be weird like this, hard clipped edges. But with my system, it won't be happening. As you can see, this tool is very powerful. The only thing that holding it is your imagination. You can use it for many different things, and I will link the assets to link in the description and also some documentation, and you can check it out. Also, if you think this video is useful or informative, you can subscribe and like and help me out. Thank you.